In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to see your Instagram password. Let's get started. If you're using iOS device, you'll get this app password. You'll need to launch it. You'll be prompted to use your Face ID. Once you do that, you'll be directed to this page where you're going to find different website along with your credentials. From the list, find Instagram and launch it. Now, here you're going to find the option of password. Click on that. Once again, your Face ID will be enabled. Once you complete this process, the password will be visible. For the iOS device, if you have used any web browser to log into your Instagram account, you'll need to launch that web browser. Then click on the profile icon given at the top right. Click on the option Manage. Then click on the option Password Manager. Here you're going to find different websites along with your credentials. Here you might find the option of Instagram as well. And that's it. This is how you can easily find Instagram saved password. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.